Alright, just got the DK hub. Paint the rim orange, I chose to. I mean, I got orange paint for nothing if I didn't paint the rim, but oh well. Let's see if I can get it together. Okay, here's the back. I've been working so hard on painting and whatnot. The frame and the wheel, front rim. Okay, here I go. We'll start up front with the S&M RV bars, demolition missile grips, a stolen stock stem, that's pretty good. Eastern harvester frame, 20.75 top tube, fit forks, Odyssey K-Light tire, DK Alpha hub laced to a Haro rim that I painted orange, Eastern Stealth or shaft cranks, I forget, Eastern Medusa sprocket, KMC chain, Eastern seat post, Odyssey Mike Aiken Nightwolf seat, Eastern bidirectional back wheel, 25/9 gearing and left-hand drive, white Aussie plastic PC pedals, and a fused back tire. I'm gonna replace that Friday with a Primo Comet slick tire. Alright. I kinda like it, but it's kinda girly, but oh well.